To fisticuffs with smugglers. Baby. Let's poke Jesse's eye out.
Oh my god.
I don't know where he is. Oh god, you're actually lighting the plants! Don't burn the wheelbarrow.
Jesse's probably somewhere trying to impress me.
Let me relight your thing for you. It's not working. Oh, there you go. Close enough. It's just like, I got this. I got this.
I'm riding piano.
I kind of am.
Okay, that's inappropriate.
It's not working. I burnt mine out. I can't light it back up. I burnt it out too soon by swinging it around too much. God damn it! It's a lost cause.
Yeah, I got a bunch of powder.
Oh my god.
Yeah, well, that's why I asked you about what you're
Oh god! There's a fire in the wheelbarrow! Blow it out! Quick!
Okay, I'll pull it out.
No, it's fire! Oh, you've got another ember on the other side too. Oh my gosh. You get embers in the wheelbarrow.
Oh my god.
I need another sparkler!
I didn't want to put your kid in the fucking goddamn.
She's out of spirit. Oh, my hand burns. Mine's dead. Mine died because I swung it around in a circle way too much. But it's nice and warm over here and I don't want to go back and sit down. Just steal the last couple of...
Flapjack nipples.